Today we're going to talk about DJ Franco found dead. Young man had testicle amputated after police strikes blow. Mass shooting suspect found dead. Female fell to her death. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for these info.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Well, people, me there again once more. Big up, respect, and the manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. Just some things I want to talk to you about in this video. Alright, so first things first. I'm going to present a piece of a video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And I want you to look at this video carefully and tell me if someone who you can see in this video steal or take anything that belongs to someone who you can see in this video. And I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness. And I want to say this to each and everyone. Be careful where you put your phone and your money whenever you go out into public places. Especially at certain places where people sometimes gather together, like some wholesale supermarket or so forth. I say, don't just put your phone on certain things, certain places, and then you're out in the public because you have some persons who are just dishonest. Now, I want you to pay attention to a person who you can see in this video right here. Look carefully, look carefully. Now, observe with me, people. Observe. Look carefully and observe with me now. Alright. Pay attention to the person right there where you see behind those two persons. Hold on, look, look. Look at that, look. See? Look at what the person was holding on to. See it? Look at that. And then finish it. Look. 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 See that? So me I talk about my people. So my people, more you tell me if a person who you see in that video actually take or steal anything from someone who you can see in the video. See? Because on a real, the way the person move in that video look really suspicious to me. You see me I say? Yeah, so be careful when you're out in public places, especially places where people gather together. So I say, be careful when you put your phone and your money. Don't just put your phone and your money in a backpack or a knapsack and it the behind you and not pay attention. You see me? Because that can end up in a bad way for you, where you might lose certain thing or things. You see me? I say.
Now, I got information that doctors amputated a man's testicle who got clubbed in the groin by a police officer during a huge Paris demonstration, and who plans to file a lawsuit. So it is said that the man, who is said to be a young man, said that he was knocked to the ground allegedly by an officer while taking photos during a confrontation between some demonstrators and the police. It is said that the man claimed that an officer charged at him and hit him within the groin area. Now, it is believed, and I'm going to say allegedly, that the police hit the man more than one time. According to more information that I got, it is said that the incident happened during a spurt of violence that happened at a march, and that there was tens of thousands of people who opposed to a hotly contested government pension reform plan, and that thousands of people marched in cities around France that day, viewers and subscribers. And I also got the understanding that there is at least one video circulating on social media about the situation. I also got the information that a person who is said to be Paris police chief ordered an inquiry into the exact circumstances of the incident, of viewers and subscribers, and that this whole incident is being talked about on social media and so on. Alright, so my people, let me know what to think about that whole situation based on information that I got and gave to you. Alright, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that a man who is said to be in his 70s opened fire at a dance hall and shot and killed at least 10 people and injured at least 10 people in California, United States of America. Now, I got information that the man who is said to be the suspect when it comes on to the shooting was found dead inside of a motor vehicle with what is said to be a self-inflicted gunshot wound, viewers and subscribers. Now, according to more information that I got, it is said that the necessary authorities are doing their investigation to determine the motive of the whole situation or why the person do what he had done. You see me I say? And it is said that authorities say that they found a handgun and other evidence inside of the van where the person was found dead. And I'm talking about the suspect. See? It is also said that the same person who was found dead inside of the motor vehicle is also believed to be the suspect in an incident that took place at a dance studio late Saturday night. Now, it is said that this incident that I'm about to tell you about happened a certain amount of time after the person opened fire at a certain location, killing a certain amount of persons and injuring a certain amount of persons, you know. So it is said that the person who is said to be the suspect entered the dance studio with a gun, and a certain amount of persons there wrestled the weapon away from the man before he fled the scene. So it is said that that weapon was handed over to the necessary authorities, viewers and subscribers, and sometime after that, police made a traffic stop at a certain location, and at some point, police heard a loud noise coming from inside of a motor vehicle. See? And it is said that at some point, SWAT officers somehow worked together in order to break into the motor vehicle. And it is said that the person was found dead inside of the motor vehicle with what is said to be a self-inflicted gunshot wound, viewers and subscribers. And in addition to that, viewers and subscribers, it is said that armored police vehicles and numerous police officers, including SWAT members, surrounded the van, viewers and subscribers. Some of us get information according to how I got the information. Now, I got information that a popular Western Jamaica radio jockey, who some people call DJ Franco, was found dead at his home in Westmoreland Monday. It is said that the deceased is known as DJ Franco from Mellow FM, viewers and subscribers. I did not get any confirmed information as to what caused his death. Now, I went on a social media platform and I saw a post that had been made on a Mellow FM page or account, and the post contains a picture that also contains words in it, viewers and subscribers. So there are words in it that says, veteran broadcaster Courtney Francis, aka DJ Franco, died this morning. He worked at Mellow FM, hosting Mellow Overdrive on Saturdays 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and evening mix on Fridays 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. And there are other words as well. There are also words in the picture in the post that also says, gone too soon. Really a sad situation, my people.
Now, I got information that a female fell from the balcony of a building at a hotel that is located within the country of Jamaica, and she died, viewers and subscribers. That situation is really and truly a sad situation. You see it? Now, let me give you the information that I got, viewers and subscribers. So, according to information that I got, it is said that police in St. James are probing the death of a woman who died at a hotel following a fall from a balcony at a hotel in Montego Bay, Jamaica, viewers and subscribers. Or you could say Montego Bay, St. James, Jamaica. Alright, so it is said that the incident happened on Sunday, viewers and subscribers. It is said that the female is in her 20s, viewers and subscribers. And according to more information that I got, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to say allegedly, it is said that the female went to the hotel as a part of celebrating her birthday, or she was celebrating her birthday, viewers and subscribers. See? And let me tell you something, viewers and subscribers. This is one situation that is being talked about on social media. So it is said that police within the country of Jamaica are probing to see if the female died by accident or not. See? Yeah, it is said that police launched an investigation into the situation to determine if the female died by accident or not. So, if we get any more information about that whole situation, I will let you know if possible. And I might even leave a comment or comments in the comment section of the video to let you know what I know. And
alright, my people, so I think here's where I'm going to leave it. That's really and truly another sad topic. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.